Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will cover another literary style or technique, that is epitaph. This video is very important from the perspective of UGC NET English exam or other English entrance exam. So we will cover this topic thoroughly from its meaning, associated glossary and the examples drawn from the most celebrated authors of literature. So it's a request to my students to watch this video completely, as a part miss can cause an incomplete understanding, which I am sure no one. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Let us now understand epitaph. So epitaph is derived from a Greek word. Okay, so this is from Greek origin and it means that writing on a tomb. So when there is inscription written on a tomb of a person, that is known as epitaph. This style of writing is known as epitaph. When an inscription is written on the grave of a person, on a tomb of a person, that is epitaph. So basically it is a kind of valediction. Valediction means act of bidding farewell to a person, okay, of course, who's dead, who's no more, and it may give you a solemn effect. It is not pronounced as Solomon, it is solemn. Solemn means it could contain deep sincerity, okay. It could be complimentary, means it enhances the quality of the person to whom it is written, or either it could be witty, it could give a very intelligent view of a person, or it could be flippant, which means not showing very serious or respectful attitude. In that case, we can consider that it might show a effect which is not sincere. It could be comic and basically not showing respect. So these could be the possible ways in which epitaphs could be written, okay. So you address here, you address to the dead even by being sincere, or you enhance the quality, or you do not show any respect. So the major collection could be found in the book 4 of the Greek anthology, and that was a collection of poem from the classical Byzantine period of Greek letters, and the effect of those epitaphs were comic to serious, and it had a very good influence on the writers that belongs to the Roman era or the Renaissance period. So basically epitaphs could be written by other person on the death of a close person or a close friend, or it could be written by the person who is about to die. They wrote their own epitaphs and they were inscribed on their grave when they were dead. These are the examples of epitaphs that we usually find on the tomb of a person. This one belongs to the writer Yeats. Let's have some look at some examples of famous epitaphs from literature. The first one belongs to John Wilmot, Earl of Chester, and he wrote this epitaph on the death of King Charles, and this gives us a very comic effects. Here lies a great and mighty king, whose promise none relies upon. He never said a foolish thing, nor did a wise one. So that's very insincere and comic epitaph written. Next example is written by Dr. Johnson, and he wrote this on the death of Oliver Goldsmith, and he wrote, "To Oliver Goldsmith, poet, naturalist and historian, who left scarcely any style of writing untouched and touched nothing that he did not adorn." So this gives this kind of valediction which is written by Dr. Johnson on the death of Oliver Goldsmith. So this kind of valediction is sounding very solemn and complimentary. It's very respectful, it contains deep sincerities. That way you can find numerous examples from literature. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful and you understood what an epitaph is. So if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my videos. All important links will be linked down in the description box. So keep learning and keep growing.